Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished experts and speakers, as we conclude the first day of our regional workshop on the Islamic World Artificial Intelligence Charter, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the distinguished speakers, panelists, and participants who have contributed to the rich and insightful discussions today. Today's panels focused on regional insights, perspectives on AI in the Asia and Middle East regions. We have gained a comprehensive understanding of the unique challenges and opportunities that artificial intelligence presents across these diverse regions. The depth of knowledge shared has been truly remarkable, highlighting both the potential and the complexities of integrating AI into various sectors. The National AI Vision and Goals, we were privileged to hear from experts who shared their experiences and visions for the future of AI in their respective countries. Oman and its Vision 2040, alongside Saudi Arabia, Vision 2030 provided us with ambitious blueprints on how AI can drive national development and innovation. An expert from Bahrain explained their vision for increasing GDP through AI applications in education and finance. Their approach blends European and American models while maintaining the specificity of their identity, particularly in creating models with Arabic languages. Kuwait's vision aims to establish an environment that eases life while respecting ethics and laws, focusing on advancements in high-quality healthcare. Jordan showcased an AI landscape where 19 companies are utilizing AI, and 5,000 students are engaged in AI-related fields. Their 2022 launch of a National Code of AI Ethics and their emphasis on building an AI ecosystem underscore their commitment to investing in skills and the digital economy. Azerbaijan introduced their chatbot model capable of answering queries about the country, demonstrating particular AI applications. The other part, which is guiding principles for AI implementation, measurements, instruments, tools, and identification of key variables. Investment in AI research and startups is crucial. The established goals of AI policy should align with enhancing economic competitiveness, fostering job creation, advancing education, and promoting social welfare. Incentivizing schemes and private sector engagement, it is vital to outline action plans that encourage private businesses, fund the innovative startups, and invest in AI R&D projects such as smart cities, machine learning, drones, and automated vehicles. Pilot studies and government rule in this part are conducting pilot studies on Pakistan's potential for AI adoption and learning from successful models implemented by countries like China would be advantageous. The government should adopt the role of an enabler rather than just a regulator to ensure effective AI policy implementation. Regulatory frameworks, in this part, developing robust regulatory frameworks that can adapt to the rapidly evolving AI landscape is necessary to ensure the safe and beneficial use of AI technologies. Continued research and development, in this part, continued investment in AI research and development will be vital to remain competitive and to harness AI's full potential for societal benefit. For tomorrow we will advance our dialogue with an expert workshop dedicated to informing the ongoing work on the Islamic World Artificial Intelligence Charter. This session will bring together leading experts who will delve deeper into specific aspects of the Charter, providing valuable insights and recommendations that will shape our collective vision for the future of AI in the Islamic world. I encourage all participants to join us with the same enthusiasm and collaborative spirit as we strive to create comprehensive and forward-looking AI charter that reflects our shared aspirations and goals. Thank you once again for your active participation and contributions. I look forward to the productive discussions and outcomes of tomorrow's sessions. Thank you.